The fundamental principle of criminal law in the United States and in the state of Florida is that if you're accused of a crime, you're innocent until proven guilty. In addition, you have many significant, important rights. Those include the right to reasonable bail, so you can be released from custody. The right to hire an attorney to represent you and to be with you throughout each stage of the proceedings that will be part of that case. You have the right to remain silent so that you are not compelled in any way to be a witness in the case. Although you can be a witness, the state cannot force you to be a witness. And that includes your right to remain silent as far as giving any information or statements to law enforcement agents. There are additional rights, including the right to discovery, meaning getting important information from the state, which would include witness lists, the names and addresses of those witnesses, statements of the witnesses, information that was compiled by law enforcement regarding times and dates, medical records, other documents, electronic records, phone records, text records, those types of records that could contribute to the prosecution or hopefully to the defense of the case. Another fundamental right is the right to have a jury trial. In Florida, that jury is generally composed of 6 citizens unless the charge is a capital crime, and in those instances there is a jury of 12 persons. And maybe the most important right is the right to cross-examine witnesses. This is a fundamental right that's been handed down from the very beginning of our country, and it is essential in determining the credibility and the truthfulness of witnesses who might be brought against you. And that is a critical right that you have. And finally, the right to have a jury decide whether you are guilty or not guilty beyond and to the exclusion of any reasonable doubt, which is a very high standard of proof.